How to reset an iPhone or iPad screen time passcode. A screen time passcode has added an extra value for the iPhone, iPad, iPod, and Mac users. It lets you control your time on screen for communication or entertainment. What is a screen time passcode on iPhone or iPad? A screen time is an iOS application used on iPhones, iPads, iPods, and Macs to limit time on a device's screen. However, you must set a passcode to use the restriction or speed limit application on your iOS devices. How to reset screen time passcodes for iPhones or iPads. Forgetting the screen time passcode for iPhones or iPads can be disastrous if you cannot remember it. Follow the full guide to find the steps to reset screen time passcodes for iPhones or iPads. Method 1. Resetting the password with Apple account for personal devices. Resetting with Apple account for child's devices. Important, the family organizer's device must be updated to iOS 13.4 or later. Method 2. Resetting screen time passcode on iPhones or iPads with iTunes. Connect your device with a Mac or Windows PC via a USB cable. Now you can reset the new screen time passcode for your iPhone or iPad. FAQ. How to turn on screen time for iOS 12 or later. By setting screen time on your iPhone or iPad, you can understand your browsing or surfing time on apps, websites, and more. Moreover, it works as a parental application to restrict your kids' time on screen. How can I set a screen time passcode for my device? Finally, enter your Apple ID for screen time passcode recovery. Moreover, you can set a screen time passcode for your child's iPhone or iPad to ensure content and privacy limitations. Final thoughts. Use the screen time passcode on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod to limit your screen time. Finally, follow my prescribed guide to reset the screen time passcode if you forget it.